Hello everyone. So in this video, I'll be showing how to create templates using different methods. So let's start. So I'll be mostly concentrating on how to create templates in OpenOffice. So also under the OpenOffice, I'm going to use the OpenOffice Writer. That is nothing but a text document. So firstly, before going to that, you have to know general things about what is a template. So what is a template? A template is a document model that is used to create the other documents. So there is a template. So now let's try different methods for creating templates. So I don't want to waste your time. So I know that, so now let's open the text document. So after opening the text document, you can type something for creating a template, but this also works as a macros. I have already uploaded a video about the macros. So let me give the details. I don't want to copy for each and every student now. So I can use template in this case. So now I have completed this. You can edit your own template, whichever things you like. So I'm removing italics and giving all this as bold. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is just save this template. So I'm going to file, save as, or better, actually most of the things save as over. So actually for this, only your text document will be getting saved. But to save your template, go to file and click on templates and click on save. So you have an additional option. So now I have already created a template called multi-talented. So I'm creating multi-talented 2. Okay, I'm creating a second template where it should be in my templates actually. Okay, I'm clicking OK now. So after giving the name, so let me close the document. Okay, so now when I'm trying to open this templates here, so now we can see the 2 templates available. Actually, under my templates, so you have 2 options like, many things available here. My templates, presentation backgrounds, presentation. So under presentation documents, you have many other things. Actually, there is a default option will be setting up whenever you open this option. So actually, I don't want this. So I'm clicking on this up 1 level. So it's an important option. It's up 1 level. So I'm clicking on that now. So again, I get all the options. Under my templates, you have these things, okay? So now I'm clicking my templates. So whatever templates I have stored will be here. So actually, I can edit my own template also. So as I created multi-talented 2, so I can click on this and click open. So you can see in preview, 2 options you can see here, the document property and the previews. So under document property, when it's created and by whom it's created, what is the size of the template, how much memory does this template open, what is the type here used, so and the title and it was made by whom, all these options are available. So in the preview option, how your template actually looks. So you have to click on this and click on open. So as soon as you give this, you can give your name. Okay, and so on, you can enter the details for doing like similar to this for all students, better at one single time you can do this. So this can be used mainly for creating a name list for school or name list for a class, student, and etc. You can do this for this. Okay, so it's very it's very useful option, as you can see, as I can see. And the second option, the second thing, as you can create template, as I told you. So firstly, you're going to directly go to the file or document. So just open the text document again, click on file, new, and templates in document. So you can create your own templates. Like, I don't want this. Again, I'm coming back of my template. I'm going to my presentation and backgrounds. I can create all my templates. So whatever thing I like. So let me go back. What is in presentation? Introducing an, okay. So let me presentation background. What type of background I require? So let me put on the noise paper. Double click on that if the option has to be opened. So now I have an asset as a double click. So now it's opened. So you can add your own, whichever things you like, you can add, and finally save this template. Okay. So now click on file, save, or save as. You can directly click on save as. So you can save in your computer also, or you can generally go to file and in templates, then save. You can add your templates and similar to this. So this is how you'll create templates. I hope this video is helpful for you. And also do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.